Hi everyone, and welcome back to Fast Forward. I don't know. So let me just say something. The last video, towards the ending, I was really sleepy. My my brain was just shutting down. I was literally feeling my eyes were just shutting down, and I was very confused, trying to see how I can keep up and finish up with the video. But I just guess you can't cheat nature, anyways. So I just had to like keep everything on hold, and have a long break, right? So it was actually like the weekend. If you look at the time, if you look at the date on my screen, you can see that it's like some days went by. So I had to like chill out and just leave coding for a while and just refresh and, chill and then get back to the whole thing. So we're going to look at this issue again and then see exactly what's going on and then try to resolve it. But before that, I need to answer this call on my phone. Just hold on 1 minute. All right, so I'm back now, you guys. Okay, so just a very quick one here. If you go over to I think here. So if you refresh, right, you can still see we have this query set blah 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 blah. So here's what's going on. Now the reason why we're having this is because we're just getting like the raw inputs, let me use that word, from here. So we need to actually loop over this because this is actually returning like a data set for us. So we need to like loop over this so we can get the individual element in this whole thingy. So to do that, all we have to do is we'll just say have like a for loop, right? We'll say for m in so we'll just copy this, right? Paste it in here, right? And then we'll just say m dot. So we're looping over in all the cards, the service cards, right? So that will be service card, which is this one. So it's service, right? So we'll come over here, we'll just do m dot service and the service, right? And n4. So we can just clear this out very quickly, right? And when we come over here and then we refresh, so you can see hot ironing, cut and join, blah blah blah. So when I come over here, I can just put comma, so you can see how many services. So this guy has laundry services that this person wants hot ironing. This person wants hot ironing. This person wants cut and join. This person wants dry washing, hot ironing. Right? Makes sense. So now we now know what these guys want. So let's just do something very quickly. Let me add service. So let me do heavy starch. So price is like 100 naira. So submit. Cool. Okay. So we're going to arrange this very soon anyways. So if we come over to completed payment, we can see that these are the laundry services that this user has requested for blah 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 and everything. Yeah. So we can also do total amount that the person has paid. Right. So we can do that by saying we'll come over to this one here. Just copy this one and then paste it in here. So we'll just do total amount. All right. So we'll just come over here, do TD. All right. And then we're going to do o.cart dot total amount. All right. So come over here, refresh. We should see the total amount. So we can do, you know what? We can just do n ngn. No, ngn. Right. Okay. So refresh. And yes, so this were the amounts that this guy user paid, right? Okay, so now we've been able. So basically, you can just see, how everything is panning out. I don't know if that word is correct, panning out. But anyways, you can see how everything is, being purchased in your laundry business, right? Again, this is just for development in your own project. You can add in so many things, right? You can add in, dates created, whatever you want to add in, but this is just for development and just to show you guys how it works, right? So that we've done this. Also, I wanted to show you guys how to implement the payment thingy, and it didn't work the last time. So I believe it's working now. I had to reach out to them, and they were able to help me fix it. So um, let me just do that very quickly. So we're doing fund wallet, right? So fund wallet email ID. So we're going to do user1 at email.com. Then amount. So let's do 1,000. So submit. So you're about to pay blah 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 blah. So fund wallet. So fund wallet brings up this, and then I'm going to do with bank, and I'm going to do with Kuda Bank. Then phone number 0913 no, yeah, 0857148. So continue, and then let me get my transaction, my PID very quickly. So I am on my phone now, and I'm going to my bank app right now. So again, this code is very very dynamic, anyways. So it changes. So do not think that you can hack me with this code. I don't know if you can though, but don't try, please. Okay, so let me just try and go there very quickly. Make a payment, biometrics. Still loading. Just hold on some minutes, you guys. Small patience. Okay, cool. So it just came up now. So pay ID is 931029. So authorize. Okay, so it's connecting. I think I've been debited, and I can see the payment in my Paystack app that is gone through. So payment successful, and you can see what else, blah, blah, blah. And you can see from 400, it has come to 1,400. So this is working graciously. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So basically, I'll show you guys that it's working. So I think we're good with that one. All right. So since we've been able to do this, let me just arrange this one. So let's come over here to base, right? Base. So we're doing if blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's just copy this. All right. Fund wallet. Hold on. I need to see what I'm trying to execute. So I don't want to see fund wallet and wallet balance as an admin. All right. What is this? Okay. And if. So if not. All right. So I should not be able to see this when I refresh. Yes. So here I should be able to see when I refresh. All right. Cool. I think this is everything though. So let me just arrange one more. So let me just make home to go to home basically. So when I click on home, refresh, takes me home, right? So I don't want an admin to be able to start laundry process. Uh, okay, let me just make that very quickly. So let me just copy this one. No, copy this one. Right, come over to I think home.html, right? And then just paste it in here. Although this is just so I can hide the button from admins to start the laundry process. Sorry. And if, right? So when I come here, this button should be hidden from me because I'm an admin. Obviously, with this guy, I can see the process. All right, you guys. Well, I think this is all. I think this is where our love story ends. And I'll probably see you guys in another awesome video of mine where we will build something very nice. I promise. Better than this. All right. Cheers and bye for now.